Family Black Phoenix, want to check in with you real quick today. I was thinking about something, man, as I've been out doing a little paperwork today. And I have been honestly thinking about networking a franchise where I'm starting a franchise with Hog on Welding where I actually assist other people to help them start up their independent companies, get it off the ground, get everything you need for those who are trying to do it, and starting off a franchise of Hog On where we can actually network and be in different cities, in different areas and locations, and we can all eat off of one another. Um, Honestly, man, I really think it's going to be a good idea once I get things off the ground because I didn't figure it out how to establish independent businesses and how to get things where you can actually see an income and how to look for services or products. Now, services will always be a need. You will always make money. So if you can tap into the services, you can always eat off these major companies. And when it comes to a product, it's just having something that is a need in the area you are in or nationwide area. It's a big need everywhere you go. So the way I would say is services R plus, products R plus, but have both. But with the franchise, I'm thinking about helping when it comes to setting up the independent LLC to be a service provider. Like if you want to provide a service in the area, because a lot of us want to get things started where we got income coming in. And service income can allow you to invest that money into your product income where you can actually get your product going, get your building, or that you already got one. You know what I mean? You can actually get those services going, but you can use your service department to help finance and kick off your product department. So a lot of people don't know how to do that, especially starting independent when it comes to getting your LLCs and your EIN numbers and your bank account and what insurance to get and what equipment to get. Because I know different guys. I have went out to their homes or their shops and they didn't bought $5,000 more equipment than they needed to do a small job, or they didn't get the right equipment. And a lot of times that can even cost us money. It can shut us down. Being small sometimes, I mean, it could actually put you out of business, man, if you make a couple wrong investments. It can really cost you to say, man, you know what, forget it. I'm going to go get a job. I'm done. So, I don't want people to get discouraged, but you have to learn as far as like what even the right insurance to get. Like I had to learn like for 3 years, I was moving around trying to figure out what insurance I had to get because I was actually looking at it wrong. And this year, um, well, I'm gonna say end of last year, I actually figured out my niche as far as what insurance I needed to provide the services that I was providing that could help me in whatever situation I was in, and I could eat all the way around the plate. Once I figured that out, I'm like, oh man, I get it now. You know what I'm saying? So it takes time. It took me, like I say, a few years to figure this out. So if you want to learn it and you want to learn it like at a fast pace, then it's good to have the franchise when people start businesses that's already established because they help you get going. All you have to do is say, okay, I got the land or I got this to build and I can kick this off. So I believe that I can really help people with their independent businesses getting established on the independent level. So not only, with the consultation fees, that's one thing. But with starting a business and actually getting you up and going and coming to you, setting it up, now there's fees and percentages that will come involved in it. And I don't want to talk about all that now because I don't really fully know what direction I want to go in, but I know it's probably gonna be anywhere from say a 5 to 15%, or it depends on if I'm like a business partner where I go 50-50 with a person, say, hey, I like the area, and they say, hey man, you want to become partners? I say, hey, okay, this is sound like a good partnership situation. I'm open for that too. I'm willing to invest my money in a good situation. So it just all depends on what it is, but I'm open to networking with people and helping different people in different states and cities set their stuff up because a lot of us times we just don't know. I mean, we honestly don't know. So if you got someone that's willing to help you grow what you're doing, not trying to beat you, not trying to take advantage of you, but trying to show you how to make money. Because to me, I think actions speak louder than words. And before a person should be able to ask you for money, they should be able to show you how to make money or help you make money, and then say, "Oh, wait, I done helped you make money. Now you should look out for me." I think that's fair. You see what I'm saying? But I'm not going to ask you for anything. I want to show you how you can eat, and I think that I actually think it can be a big plus. So I've been thinking about this, man, and if you feel like this is a good idea, man, hit me up on it, man, and just give me some of your ideas on it because it's something that I've been working on. I've been writing some stuff up, but I'm thinking once I get my Hog On Welding, because honestly, Hog On Welding is a mobile service company. Like the welding part, when I say Hog On Welding, it's completely service company where we do service work, field work, all field. You know what I mean? Now we are opening up a division that's going to be called on fabrication, where this will be a shop and we'll be fabricating other people's products and our own. But until then, the main thing that's keeping us eating and keeping doors open is actually the hog on welding, the field services. So that's what I actually want to actually start helping people eat in the field, those who are familiar with the field, who got pickup trucks and can actually haul things around. I mean, it's money to be made. So if that's something you want to do, man, just reach out to me. Hog On. And for those who don't know, my email is hogonwelding, HOGON, at gmail.com. The business cell is 480-430-6591. Y'all have a good day. Hog On.